quite the place, huh, David?
What?
This is a pond. I wonder if it gets filled in more water during the other time of the year. You think? Probably so.
Now the fish from over here.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to figure out where we are.
Hey, here we are now in the Shuri Castle area, just a little bit further north of where we were the last time.
This was the seat of the local government until 1879. These two temples we're looking at now, 8 and 9.
Shuri Castle.
Looks like this part.
No, I just read it here that it was around the path. Goes down that way. This is where you come to pray for difficult children.
Oh, we were at the right spot.
I'm not sure.
Hey, Tom. Dave. I guess it was at one time all filled with... David is over there working hard. Are there fish out there?
Yeah.
Let's see.
A whole bunch of fish.
Let me see where we are here.
There they are. See, look. Right in there. See, look.
Oh, yeah, I see him in there. There are a couple fish over here. I see them. Looks like they're fairly good size. Huh? This is...
Tom, can you read those first three temples?
1968, 1969. Who?
I can read the numbers.
Maybe 1502. Hey, Dave, come here.
Get over there.
Well, you can't get in it, apparently.
There's people over there. How do you get over there?
They came back up on the other side. Look.
I don't know if this is a gate.
I think so. By that, this should be
Let's go look up there.
7, but that... Let's see what we got here.
This is the first gate of Shuri Castle proper. It was built into the wall surrounding the castle, I guess so.
Yes, sir. Well,
And it's one of the two gates which have been reconstructed. And where it's H3.
okay. We want to continue on down around here. Over there, they're taking pictures.
What is it?
There they are, in front of Shuri Castle, for 2 decades. As if it was their own playhouse, they bound down the stairway. David, oblivious to his surroundings. Of course, he's oblivious just about all the time. They both appear to be having a good time here. They're checking out the gardening work, the little ivy just growing on the wall. David says, I think I'll try a little bit of vertical climb technique. Tom says, I think I'll see if I can throw him off of here. Oops, wrong button. Try to get an idea of how steep that wall is. Certainly on a rainy day with all that growth up there, make it slick as you know what, try to climb up there. And where did Judy go? She was off here somewhere, went down into the bushes. I wonder where she is. She took a picture here somewhere. Everybody seems to be interested in what Tom and David are doing here. Judy's way up there already. Did you? You do 1.5 left?
That was the main gate. What do we do with our book? And look at that. We should look at that ancient telephone stand over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, right over there?
With a little fruit that matches that roof.
Yeah, a little... I think we need to have an obento.
I like one from Capsule.
See if they got any obentos over there. So I got a little snack room.
Oh, in there?
Yeah, why don't you see? See what they put, check it out. Let's do your leg, David. Nothing? Nothing. Step back over here at this little tunnel. Where? Back over here. Stand right here. This is where I was going to put you. It's just about the right size for David.
Oh, yeah?
On the top. Here, wait, right here.
I wonder what this was for.
I don't know.
Maybe it was part of a storehouse or something. All these little banyan trees.
Ready to get everybody back?
Yeah, okay, go here, go ahead. Holy smokes. Almost got me. Come on down.
I'm gonna go look over here, Dad. Okay.
Yeah, this is kind of down at the bottom. David is over here playing Zorro.
Funny.
Aren't you? You having a good time, David?
Yes, sir.
Wait, Judy. Let's take a look at this scenery here. This is an unusual sight, Okinawa, to have nobody knocking you down and have a pleasant, picturesque scene here with water and ducks. And we're heading back up here. There's Judy checking our guide again. I'm going to check where I'm walking. There's a guy catching a few Z's. He's got the right idea, I think. You can see February, you don't need too much on, huh? Just drop my sunglasses. Well, here we are, back out to this little bridge again.
This castle was built in the 13th century.
Is that right, the Shuri Castle?
Does that mean 1200?
That's right.
And then it was expanded in 1428 when they moved the castle here.
Then they turned it into a mall in 1836.
And then they destroyed it in about 3 months in 1945.
Hauled down, huh? Well, that's a shame. I guess they knew it was a headquarters site, huh? David, watch out where you're going. Dave?